PEPE coin is still crashing. Should you buy now at the bottom, or should you sell your PEPE and move on? Welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're taking a deep dive on PEPE coin and taking a look at exactly what's going on. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. Going straight to things, guys, we're looking at the price of PEPE coin, down 3.4% on the day. On the week, we're down a whopping 20%, and when we go in the month, we're down about 30%. We have made some recoveries from earlier this week, at least a 10% gain. However, we're still going the downwards direction. Is this a place where you just sell off your PEPE, or should you keep holding and perhaps even buy more? Now, if you want the simple answer, this is probably the time to start dollar cost averaging and buying, as how low could it go? We're seeing that this may actually be the bottom right here. However, we don't know. That's why we're dollar cost average. Long term, pretty bullish on PEPE, and we're gonna go through a couple of reasons why. Before we do that, I want to take a second to highlight this pre-sale gem, PEPE Unchained. PEPE now has its own blockchain. Congrats, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during our pre-sale to max on your rewards before the price skyrockets. Not only are you gonna max on your rewards and get it at a super low price, but you're earning 624% AP, which is absolutely solid. In 7 hours, they're gonna have their next price hike, so now's your time to buy. They're about to break their $3 million milestone, which is absolutely insane. You buy with ETH, USDT, card. We did a whole deep dive on this project, guys. It looks absolutely solid. You know, on this channel here, we're very bullish on pre-sale gems, and this project is not one to miss out on. But let's go back to things, taking a look at what's going on in the overall crypto market. We are seeing we're at 37 in terms of fear, and slowly creeping back towards neutral, and hopefully back to greed very soon. Bitcoin currently at $57,000, up 3% on the day. Ethereum up 2% back to $3,000. Hopefully we see bullish momentum across the board and start seeing some of these coins start to pump again, especially with PEPE. We're taking a look at meme coins, guys, and we can see across the board meme coins are down, but PEPE being a top loser in the mix. PEPE, Dog with Hat, Floki, and Brett getting absolutely ballistically blown out right now, but it actually opens up opportunities for us to enter at super low prices. We go ahead and take a look at the technical analysis. Oscillators are sitting at neutral. Moving average at sell. Give us a summary of sell. However, I think this might be an opportunity to buy. We're taking a look at some news, and we've seen PEPE is being brought up a lot lately, but this article, it caught my eye the most. We see PEPE coin triggers historically liquidation and surprises investors. The recent downfall of the meme coin has not spared PEP, a strike example of extreme volatility. Despite the bearish trends, some of these cryptos managed to rebound exponentially, perplexing investors. While traders struggle with unpredictable fluctuations, some big holders continue to bet on the future of famous coins like PEPE. So even though there's a lot of volatility, people are betting on PEPE. Remember, PEPE was able to stand the test of time and was able to ride out the entire bear market. So we only anticipate that PEPE is going to make a swift recovery from here. Talking about recoveries, we're seeing some big reports. BlackRock buys another 3,320 Bitcoins. They are not sleeping. Every single time there's a dip, they're buying. They see something there. The reason why I point that out, guys, is if these big investors are seeing these opportunities to buy in, investors like you and I should take advantage of these moments to buy in at these absolute low prices. And with BlackRock continuing to buy up Bitcoin, we only anticipate once the bulls start to come in, this could be the biggest bull market, setting up coins to go absolutely skyrocketing. Specifically PEPE, we go in the 1 year, guys, and we see it had some massive gains just earlier this year. So imagine you buying at these prices right now, and we see gains like this again, you're going to make some massive gains on your money. And that's exactly what we want to do here in the crypto game. We want to buy low, sell high. Remember, I say this time and time again, you don't make money on the buy. You don't make money when you sell your cryptos. You make your money when you buy your cryptos. Buying at the absolute right time is a place to be. And that's exactly what's looking like for PEPE. It is going to make a recovery. We look at the all-time, guys. It had some shaky starts. Remember, it launched during the bear market, had a pump, pull back, pump. Similar pullback here in terms of percentage-wise. And hopefully it pops up to an exponentially higher price, making us all have a strong bag. But like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And let me know how you feel about PEPE. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.